What's up, guys? I'm starting, and my brother is. I'm waiting for my brother. Big brother, let's join the game. Okay. I'll join him. A chicken. Hello, my brother. A piece of body. Yeah, let's get some cheese. Okay. I want this one. This one is mine. The one big. I get an apple in here. Oh, I have no. Can I give you an apple? Okay, fine. This is not like I have a tree. I have one tree. And now I have a two tree. And now that's why. Oh, that's fine. No, that's fine. That's fine. I go. I should go. I should go. I should go. Here. Hey, what? What? There's a village in here. I can't see you. Hey, I follow your name because I see a blue. I'm here to do the same. Chastity. You almost have the cost. I need help. Jump, jump, buddy. Alright. Don't, my big brother. This is so hard. Nothing. I have nothing. I just win the water. Oh, wow. You have potato. Oh, this potato. Oopsie. Oopsie. Hey, hey, hey. I'm here in the water. Oh, wow. There's some more potatoes. Hold on. Hey guys, you wanna guys? Hello guys, you wanna guys? I know guys, you cannot go to the village. Oh no, oh no. I go to my brother to the you have ammo. And where are you? I need a chat. Oh, I need a bell. No thanks. No thanks. Potatoes. Train me to see. I'm gonna chest. This is not chest. Okay, run. Upsie guys. This is falling. No way. Run. Ooh, ooh, chest. A breath. Hello. No. Run. Okay. That's my grabbing. Okay, fine. No, I need some more. Some chance, Just about some Halo, so you can go. No chance. And a 2.5, I'm gonna eat my bread. You're gonna be little brother. I will shoot him. Oh no, zombie! Ouch! No, zombie. No, stop it. Away from me. No, zombie, no! need your help. I'm gonna punch you with my emerald. No. Help me. I don't like to help you because I have no overtime. It's overtime. Golem. Just don't move. Yeah. Don't move. Just attack. Yeah. I'm back. Like, jump and come on, eat some bread. No. Oh, I need a cup. A tree. Wow. No, don't cut it. I'll cut it. This is wow. Village needed. Yeah. This will be nice. Jump. Can you just quiet everyone? Can you just quiet? I can go there. Oh, you can go there. I'm done. Everyone's looking at me. Go to crafting table. I'm gonna plant the bed. Get on. This is the unloaded sword.
Kalit ni mama kay all night mataas kayo.
Okay, guys.
Swimming po kayo. Anak be.
Okay, guys. Hey, what is it? Hey. I want that. I want that. Kill me. I need to go. I'm scared. I'm brave. Oh, I'm not brave. I'm brave. Oh, cow. I want the cow. Sorry. I saw it. So what? Let's go. Let's go. You have my crafting table? No. Oh no, too nice. Too nice. Oh, we protect the village. Oh no! There are 3 zombies. I'm gonna die. Okay guys, run fast. Oh, I'm just gonna not help you. Oh, I need to talk to you. You're cheating from me.
Hey, brother. Hey.
Wait, I want to wake up, dude.
I'm just gonna sleep.
I'm gonna sleep too. I remember to
Peace.
make sleep. Let's sleep.
Sleep.
I'm just sleeping now. Maybe I'm here. I have one sword.
And what's my crafting table?
I have a cup.
It's inside the cave. Furnace. You need one more cobblestone.
I have a cabbage.
Lapit ako mamatay. Bread. Inom.
Oh,
there's
guys.
two creepers.
I
Don't
have
attack
the
it.
axe.
Head back. Return to the house. This is our house now.
Yeah. Don't go, creeper. Don't go. Hey, sure, you can species me. You big bully. I'll go for it. I have no.
Furnace. Where's my furnace? Di kuha ni Kulot.
Oh, there's my furnace. You a thief. Bye again.
You're a thief, yo.
You're a thief. I'm not a thief. I need to get some more furnace. I don't want to share. I want to.
Iron. Baliktad. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you coal. I got
There. Lulu. Oh, knock back.
again.
Nagis, si Kuya sa kare magpunas na.
Oh no. I'm getting some.
Hello, Lord.
Okay, guys. My house. Where did we go? I want to go into my house. House pieces. Oh, iron. Have iron. Oh, what furnace? Genius. That's so genius. Genius. Ano naman? Kanina dito. Ayun, okay, guys. Now, our first thing. Okay, first thing first, I'm a pain out of my 28. I'm sorry.
Sa imo ate.
Ha?
Ate Nancy. Nancy pala.
Now. Malen! Oh, thank you. Thank you, my brother. Nice pictures. Malen. Wala na daw.
Anak, be, tama na na.
Okay, guys. Now, guys, I'm going to say this now. I'm going now, bye. And, you know, I have 12 years and I have a 12. What? Let me use the shield. Oh no. No thanks. Where's my axe? Oops. This one. Axe. Ew. Look at it.
Ang binaba.
Wala na. Okay guys. Now I have a pickaxe. Scared. I'm not scared. I'm a brave.
Bagay pa ka matulog. Madula ka ina na. Asa ka? Tabi sa ina na. Dulog ka sa ina. Kapan mo. Tulog ka.
Idol.
Oh, kaganda.
Dili. Tangan dili ang guna sa mukuan.
Liquid naman siya. Stop recording now. Stop recording now. Kuma naman. Okay, bye guys. Pura kita ka dira. Diba